I'll be honest with you. I didn't have a simple skincare routine until this year, and that's only because I genuinely love curating beauty rituals. I'm that girl who enjoys testing new products and recommending them to my family and friends. Also, sorry this video is a little short. I'm spending Christmas with my grandma, so my next upload might be a bit late. My little sibling actually asked me to make an all-in-one skincare planner, and I thought, why not share it with you guys too? Back in my 20s, I did this all the time. I even had a monthly budget just for trying new skincare products. But eventually, it got exhausting, and my skin paid the price. It became more blemish-prone, super oily, and honestly a little sensitive to touch. After talking to one of my friends, she's a skin expert, I finally simplified everything. Now I follow a routine that's easy, healthy, and actually works for my skin. Today, I'm showing you how I track my entire skincare routine in Notion, the system that literally saved my skin and my wallet. 1. Why I started tracking. I used to forget sunscreen, randomly skip serums, and buy products I already had. Once, I even used an expired eye cream for weeks because aesthetic packaging. So I moved everything into Notion, and my routine finally started making sense. 2. My simple Notion setup, I use 4 sections, AM/PM routine tracker, just checkboxes. I tick things off while brushing my teeth. Takes 10 seconds but keeps me consistent. Product shelf, photos, expiry dates, ingredients, and personal notes. Tip: add start date plus 2-week review. It helps you know what's actually working. Skin goals, hydration, glow, pigmentation. I add small notes plus progress pics. Seeing improvement keeps me going. Skincare notes hub. Anything my dermatologist says or I learn from YouTube, Reddit goes here. Because my brain forgets everything. How I use it daily. Morning checklist, quick. Nighttime. I just check. Is today retinol day? Did I exfoliate this week? No more guessing. No more accidentally burning my barrier. Done that. Twice. What changed for me? Why skin improved? Because I stayed consistent. Stopped overbuying. Raveling became easier. I knew which products worked in which climate. ND, honestly, Notion makes skincare fun. Oh, that's my Notion skincare system. If you want this exact template, comment skincare below. Like, subscribe, and take care of your gorgeous face. Bye.